Welcome to Peaceful Minutes and our Yoga Nidra session, a journey into deep relaxation and inner peace. As you settle into this tranquil space, allow yourself to let go of the day's stresses and distractions. This is a time just for you to reconnect with your inner self and find a sense of calm and balance. In this practice, you'll be guided through a series of relaxation techniques, visualizations, and gentle awareness exercises. All you need to do is listen and allow yourself to be guided. So find a comfortable position. I recommend lying down with plenty of support and perhaps even a blanket. Close your eyes and prepare to embark on a soothing journey of self-discovery and relaxation. Allow yourself to settle into comfort on your back. Adjust your position so your body is symmetrical and feels supported. Notice the parts of your body touching the ground and consciously relax them. Take deep, slow breaths, feeling each inhalation expanding your body and each exhalation releasing tension. Reflect deeply on what you seek from this practice. This is called our intention, or sankalpa. It could be a feeling, a personal quality, or a life goal. Formulate this into a short, positive statement in the present tense. Repeat it mentally 3 times, embedding it in your consciousness. I will now guide you through a complete body scan. This is an opportunity for you to identify and release any tension that you're holding. Spend a few moments on each part, inviting it to relax and let go. Direct your attention to the crown of your head. Slowly move your focus down, part by part. Forehead. Eyes. Cheeks. Jaw. Tongue. Down through the neck. Shoulders. Arms. to the tips of your fingers. Then from the chest, abdomen, pelvis, thighs, shins, ankles, all the way to your toes. Focus now on the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel its path as it enters through your nostrils, fills your chest and abdomen, and then flows back out. With each breath, sense a wave of relaxation flowing through you, easing your mind and body deeper into rest. Imagine a tranquil meadow under a clear blue sky. Visualize the vibrant colors of wildflowers, the texture of the grass under your hands, the gentle warmth of the sun. Hear the soft rustling of leaves in the breeze. The distant chirp of birds. Absorb the peace and beauty of this place. Visualize the sensation of warmth enveloping your body, as if basking in gentle sunlight. Then, imagine a coolness, like a soft shadow passing overhead. Alternate between these sensations, embracing their contrasting qualities, and exploring what each brings to your state of relaxation. Begin to deepen your breath. Bringing gentle movement back to your body. Notice the surfaces and sounds around you. Gradually reacquaint yourself with your environment, maintaining the calm and tranquility from the practice. Slowly roll to your right, taking a moment to pause and reflect. You may tuck your knees into your chest. Keeping your eyes closed, gently and very slowly, sit up and revisit your intention or sankalpa. Bring your hands together in front of your heart, expressing gratitude for this practice. Open your eyes when ready, carrying the serenity of this session into your day. Thank you for joining Peaceful Minutes. May you feel restored and rejuvenated. Remember, peace is just a few minutes away.